This is one of the most breathtaking images that humanity has ever taken. It's of Saturn from 2013. The Cassini spacecraft just went behind Saturn and it took a picture of Saturn eclipsing the sun. So what you're seeing is Saturn being illuminated by the sun rays beaming through the planet, through the rings. So now you can see the outer rings and the faint dust grains that surround the planet. But if we look a bit closer, you'll find that just below, you'll see a faint blue dot, and that's the Earth. I mean, let this sink in. That's our planet, right there in that photo. On that dot is everything you've ever seen or known or heard, every person you've ever loved, every family that has ever existed, every animal, every tree, everything you've ever known happened there on that dot. And it's also where every politician exists, every conservative, every liberal, every illegal immigrant. But we don't see borders from this perspective, do we? You can't even make them out. They don't exist. There's no sense of borders in this picture. It's just one planet. You don't see land being divided or fought for. Think of how many people, how many religious leaders or presidents or emperors or generals have spilt blood just to be temporary masters of a fraction of that dot. Every time I look at one of these pictures, I'm reminded of how fragile we are. Right? We on Earth, we think that everything is human-centric, everything revolves around us, that we are some kind of important beings in the universe. But from this perspective, that idea is challenged by this dot, this pale blue dot. I'm reminded of the fragility of our lives, right? It makes you want to squeeze your family a little bit harder next time you see them. It makes you want to not be so mean and rude to people. Because from this perspective, those things seem so petty and pathetic. And just imagine if every person on the planet was reminded of this picture every day. Every leader, every politician, every person were reminded of this pale blue dot. I wonder if we'd be so quick to hate each other. I wonder if we'd be so quick to fight and bicker and be so cruel and misunderstand each other so frequently. And as we recognize the finitude of our lives, it comes and goes quickly. And there's a lot of things we don't understand about the universe. There's some things we do understand, but a lot we don't, right? So having that in mind while looking at this picture, it really emphasizes the importance of cherishing our place in the universe, cherishing our planet, preserving our planet, the animals, each other, and everybody. Because in all this vastness, in all this mystery, in all this confusion that we have about our place in the universe and where we're headed and where we're going and who we are, the only thing that's going to make this bearable, going through this process, is love, not hate.